I'm very happy to be here for Kyra. I would like to thank them for inviting me here. It's a very good cause today. It's like Har Din Bano Pretty Woman, and I'm very happy to be a girl wearing Kyra dresses, which is so nice and so different, and it really makes you look pretty. And I'm very happy to see myself in such different avatar today, and I hope I'm looking pretty. But it's a very pretty dress. I'm really enjoying wearing different dresses now, and it's all because of Kyra, and Karishma ma'am is doing extremely well for making me look good, and I'm sure with these kind of dresses all the girls will look extremely good. So very happy to be associated with Kyra, and it's I feel it's really a perfect brand for all the girls out there.
Which kind of designs and which kind of dresses would you like?
I basically like Indian wear a lot because we have so many varieties in India: salwar, kurta, saris, and so many different varieties. So I just love wearing this because we are usually wearing casual dresses all the time when we travel abroad and wherever we go. So we hardly get time being sports person to wear Indian dresses, and I'm very happy whenever I wear all these Indian dresses. I feel extremely very happy.
And about your tournament?
About my tournaments, next one is Japan Open, which I'm playing next month, and next week, and then I have Denmark, France, which is next month, and this year is going to be very hectic because Olympics are coming up, and I just hope I stay injury free and continue the same form and just do well. Yeah.
Who's your favorite fashion icon?
Favorite fashion icon? I really like the way Sonam Kapoor dresses, Deepika dresses. They really look very good, and lot to learn from them because they look really perfect on screen. Yeah.
We are hearing you entering into business.
Pardon?
Entering into business. Start.
Nothing like that. Yesterday, I was in a function, and then they asked me about it, but I just said I don't know much about it. I've been playing badminton from the age of 9, and I've left the rest of the job for my dad to do. So all these things are up to my dad. They look after it. He looks after it, and he's doing it perfectly. So I don't really have to worry about anything business or investments. So I don't really have to worry about it. Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you. I'm very happy to know that Kyra is inaugurating Miss Twin City 2015. So I wish them all the very best and looking forward to it. Thank you so much.